The 2026 Toyota Hilux TRD brings a bold new design, improved performance, and advanced features, making it one of the toughest and most reliable pickup trucks in the world. It features a massive blacked-out front grille, matrix LED headlights with sequential indicators, TRD skid plate, and aggressive 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels with improved ground clearance. Inside, the truck offers a premium experience with a 12.3-inch infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, ventilated leather seats, dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, and enhanced rear seat comfort. Powering the Hilux TRD are two diesel engine options. A 2.8-liter turbo diesel producing around 204 horsepower and 500-plus Newton-meters torque, and a more fuel-efficient 2.4-liter diesel. Built on Toyota's TNGA-F platform, shared with the Land Cruiser family, it delivers better stability, smoother ride quality, and exceptional off-road capability with features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, differential lock, and upgraded suspension. Safety has also been upgraded with Toyota Safety Sense, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, auto emergency braking, a 360-degree camera, and up to 8 airbags. Expected pricing is around 1.5 to 2 crore PKR in Pakistan, 40 to 55 lakh INR in India, and 55,000 to 70,000 internationally. Overall, the 2026 Hilux TRD is a powerful, luxurious, and highly capable truck that performs equally well on-road and off-road, making it an excellent choice for adventure lovers and daily users alike.